Ningoli, yeah man. Hello. Guys, let's do part 2 when I wear all of these things. From Tshepang, man. Khuluza Mntwana. My father. Skoniza. Let's wear together. Yeah man. Siqale ngoTshepang. Yeah man. Look. Yeah. Tshepang, my boy. Yeah man. What's wrong now? Whoa, yeah, number 2. Yeah, man. So, number 2, Mkhuluza Mntwana. Yeah, Tshepang, man. Become Mkhuluza. Yeah, man. You keep at the store. Ufaka la. You talk so, man. Yes. Then you must do this. Yeah, man. Yabo? Basically, I must hide what is underneath and do this. Yabo? Same fucking filter. 1, 2, start to change their voice.
Yo, Maroni na man, ndinithandani. Mwa. Ndikhona man, ndiseroundini. Ndinijongile man. Ndiyeza kokwena ndisaqala itiya. uDisemba kaloku soon. Nama-Mary biscuit, ama-choice assorted. Yo, ndiyeza nina man.
Yabo? So, yeah. So after Mkhuluza, we move to the next character. So we remove isigqoko sikaMkhulu, ibhanshi likaMkhulu. We move to the next character, which is Skoniza. Okay. To Skoni, we'll have to do this. Yabo? Fagi weave. Then you don't have to undress everything because Ntoka Skoni is long. It covers everything. So the nice part about Skoni, Uguchi, you just wear on top of other things. Because umfaka ipini fam. So I don't know how should I wear this, but anyways, ngifaka the way ngifuna ukuyifaka ngakhona. So I do this. Okay. One thing is missing. Then faka mazaza, you remove the filter. Yes. After removing the filter, ke singuSkoni. Sanibonani ninjani? Yo Nkosi yami uDisemba anisangithengele nje ama-choice assorted Nkosi yami angazafike lo mkhulu lo. Yo Nkosi yami ngicabanga ukuthenga nala mabhakede lawa la anamakhekhe bathini ama-skiki bucket. Yeah, ama-skiki bucket. Bathini ama-skiki biscuit. Yo mangathenga wona nje ngithengele nje noshukela lo mhlophe ngiyazi awuna taste eningi. Yazi because kulo December nje. Ngiyamsaba lo baba. Azini. So sanibonani. Yes guys. Yabo masengiqedile ke after Skoni we remove iwiki ka Skoni, throw it away. Sandresa manje. Then again back to the last character, which is Omaifado. So we don't have to remove Amalokuzan. We just need to wear isigqoko sisibhekise tilt kancane sibheke eceleni so that ifeel sizohlala kahle. Then usually sifake overall on top of the clothes, you know? So another thing to save money and energy, we just wear on top. Then we need e-bags, you know? Stingy bags, see? Stingy bags. Then we need a bags. Stingy bags la. Usually ngifake bags so that ingabonakali izimpahla. Yona Tshepang, ngazongijwayela kabi wena. Ngazongijwayela kabi. Yini lento yenzayo? Wafufutha ama-condom wena. Ufundiswa ba ngifufutha ama-condom? Ngazongidelela wena. Wena uyadelela wena. Yabo? Bese manje just need to act their voice. Gaba, yabona kubona ukuthi the father. So like I'm done. After this, then it's a child. Then back to square one. Back to being then the other character, the last one, the last and the least one. kuba ubani kuba uSiyabonga. Yeah, the last character kuba him, which is uSiyabonga Mhlanga. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet again next year.